how to block and unblock a person on Signal Private Messenger. Firstly, if you take off on your chat selection like this one and you want to simply block this person, you're going to tap on the three dots right here and you're going to see that there is no option for it. But if you tap on the name selection, which is right here, and if you scroll down, the last selection it is block session, just type right there, go block. And from now on, as you can see right down, you have the option to unblock it. But if you cannot find that selection, you're going to get back from here. You're going to go to your settings side on your account. And yeah, of course, here you have privacy and all that stuff, selections. But the main point right here, it is simply to go on the session, which is for your account and all that stuff selection. Just go account on the first side selection, and right from here you're going to be available to find out all the sites on your privacy and setups to simply go and unblock that person.